this video, you're going to learn how to slay Riff by Mighty Riff, the Blue by Acid Bath. What's going on? Welcome to Beholden to the Riff, the heaviest bass channel on YouTube. Let's get right into this one. We are in C standard tuning, so grab your axe, tune up, and let's do this. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to nail half-step bends with control and intonation. Smoothly transition between slow, heavy riffs and faster, more aggressive tempos. And play along with the entire song with confidence and clarity. Let's go. Here's riff number 1, nice and slow. So this one starts open low string, and then we go 5th fret low string, and we're going to do a power chord shape. So 7th fret on the 3rd string. So it goes. You can play that with your pinky or your 3rd finger. And then we're going to bend the 6th fret, and really we're going to bend it and then release it and then bend it back again. So like 2 bends, okay? And then 3-5 on the low string, and then a 1/4 step bend on this 3rd fret. It's really just for feel and for vibe. So we're not actually bending to a note or to a pitch. We are bending to a note on when we bend this 6th fret. Okay, so we want to bend this a half step up. So it sounds like the 7th fret at the top of the bend. So. Okay, that's how you can always check your bends. A half step bend is just 1 fret up. It should sound exactly like this pitch. Here's the full riff up to speed. Here's riff number 2, nice and slow. So this has a drastic change in tempo and really ramps up the speed. So you got to be ready. You got to kind of have that tempo in your ear, in your mind before we go into it, okay? It starts low string, couple opens. Then it's 5-7 on the low string, up to the 5th fret on the 3rd string. Back to the 7th fret low string. So far. Then it's 3rd string, 5-7-5, and then 2 7th fret bends, and we're bending those again half step up. Here's the riff up to speed. And so just like when we come into this riff, we need to be ready for that tempo change coming back out of this riff and really slam it on the brakes. Before we get into the next riff, I'd just like to take a second to thank the Beholden to the Riff community. Your support means the world and makes all these lessons and all these tabs happen. Thank you so much. Here's riff number 3, nice and slow. So this one is at a faster tempo as well. It starts open string, and then we're going to do a pretty quick slide from 3 up to the 5th fret. And I like to do it first finger because we want our second finger available to hit the 6th fret on the 3rd string. So then the last time around, instead of sliding from 3 up to 5, we're sliding 5 up to 7. So this is an octave higher. And we do that same shape. So we hit that 8th fret high string. Here it is, up to speed. Such a fun riff to play. Here's riff number 4, nice and slow. So this one starts open low string, and then we go 10th fret on the 3rd string. Then it's open low string, and then a bend on this 1st fret low string. And bending on this low string 1st fret, I like to use my middle finger and kind of bring my whole arm into it, and all my, like everything you got. This is really nasty bend up here. And this is a half step bend, so we want to get it to this pitch here. The next riff expands on this theme. Here it is, nice and slow. So on the high frets up here, we're adding this 11th fret on the 2nd string. So it's, and then on, when we go back to this 1st fret, instead of bending it, we're just kind of adding, we're just pummeling it. So very cool way to use the same notes and the same feel, but still make it sound totally different. Later on in the riff, we play this high shape down here on the low string. So on the 3rd fret and the 4th fret on the 2nd string. It's the same notes, just an octave lower. So here's riff number 6, nice and slow. So this one starts low string, we go 5, 4, open. And then 3rd string, 6th fret. Then the last part of the riff is pull-offs, 5 to open. And we want to get these to sound like triplets. So like 3 note groupings. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And it goes up to the 8th fret, low string. Such a cool riff, so much fun to play. And if you'd like to get the most out of this video, check out the Beholden to the Riff Patreon page. That's patreon.com/Beholden to the Riff. We have bass tabs, interactive bass playthroughs, practice guides, custom Helix patches, and so much more. We'll see you there.